A little dupe, I guess. I found this picture on Pinterest. It is, am I tripping or is this light flickering? What's up, y'all? Today we are going to be doing a little segment that I want to start on my channel called Sew With Me. Yeah, I wanted to start this for myself so I can just like push myself to finish projects. So if I make a video on it, that's double the pressure, you feel me? So I'll insert the image of the top that I'm going to be recreating. I thought it was really cute, and I have this material that I've had forever and I ain't touched it yet. So I thought I would try to make something with that. And I might experiment with a little bottom, so we'll see. And I want to try to finish it tonight, just cause like anybody got nothing to wake up in the morning to do, so that's what it is. Gonna pull an all-nighter to finish this little outfit, so we'll see what I come up with. So yeah, some of this might be sped up. It's not really a tutorial, so let's get into it. Okay, so what I did was I already had a bodice like draped for this dress form, made out of bubble wrap for a project that I didn't do it to 100%, so I didn't really put it out there, but I'm gonna put it out there anyway because it's kind of funny. So I'm gonna insert it right here. Oh, but I don't need no fancy cars or diamond rings. Baby, I don't need no. Alright, so you got to see that. Anyway, so I had the bodice already draped, and it fits me. This dress form is my size, measurement wise. So I had it already draped out, so I just cut out the shapes that I wanted out of that bodice so I can create the pattern, because I'm a little lazy, but we ain't gonna worry about that because this is gonna turn out great. Okay, so we have like a dart on the bust, so that's gonna be fitted already, and on the back it's gonna be crossed. So I only did 1/2 of the top, so that when I cut out, I'm gonna actually trace this and put it on pattern paper so I can use it another time if I want to. But I have done 1/2, so when I do the other half, I'll just flip it and get this other half going. Don't know if you can see that, but so it's gonna be like crossed in the back. Actually, you'll just see the final result. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be nice. You feel me? Let's get to the pattern making process. Okay, so I have my pattern piece cut out. This, we got like the lining, bam, you know, and then we got the full self. How that look like? It's kind of long. So yeah, so this is where we're gonna have our cross action happening. And this, let's see, our cross action happening, and then this is the bust. And this piece right here is like the little ruffle piece. So it might look like a giant triangle right now, but it's gonna be so cute. So I'm about to cut out the pieces, and we're gonna get to it. Okay, I just wanted to do a little side note. This is the material I'm gonna be using. It's like a dark blue, like navy. It says here that I have 2 3/4 of a yard. I bought this for $8.25 at a store in Portland called Scrap. If you don't know what Scrap is and you're in the Portland area or you're ever passing through and you make things like any type of, I mean, they literally get random things. They're scraps and just like things that people want to get rid of that, I don't know, either companies or just regular old citizens. So this is like someone else's scrap material, and it's like cheap too, like $8.25 for 2 almost 3 yards of material. Like, come on now. I bought these right here. I call these my Jodices. I bought these for $1 at Scrap. Like, and look at the condition. Just think of it as a thrift store for craft people, like for crafters. You can buy anything there. Like, it's crazy, and at a good price, and it is very sustainable because you're reusing someone else's waste materials. So check them out. I'll like insert a little info on Scrap right here if you want to check it out. And this ain't like sponsored or nothing. I mean, holla at me if you want me to be a plug for Scrap. Let them know, okay? Anyways, back to the stuff.